Acai bowls are all the rage at the moment in the cafes. They're not only healthy for you, but it's a fantastic breakfast to have and it's really quick to do. You need frozen fruit for this, so I've got some frozen bananas and some pineapple, but you can change this up depending on what you like. I'll add this to a blender, so about half of this pack, along with some pineapple. And essentially what this is a smoothie in a bowl, and you can top it with whatever you like. Today I'm going to be topping it with muesli, seeds and extra fresh fruit. And what makes this unique is this. This is some organic acai puree. You can find this at your supermarkets now. It's made obviously from acai berries and it's full of antioxidants. I also love the rich purple colour of it. So it comes frozen also, so you can have this stashed in your freezer when you want to make it on any occasion. And what I'll do is just break it up, so in the pack, just like this. And you can just warm it up with your hands or pop it in some hot water, just so you can open the pack. We'll cut that open and break that up on top of the other fruit. Just one sachet is plenty. And just to loosen it up and so it mixes quite evenly in the food processor. Now I'm using almond milk, but you could use cow's milk or even coconut water works nicely too. Lid goes on and I'm going to blend this until we have a thick smoothie-like consistency. Don't add too much of the liquid. If you add too much of the liquid, it's going to be runny. We want this to hold its texture. Now, because we are using frozen fruit, you do need to just scoop down the sides 3 or 4 times throughout this blending process. Look how much that acai has stained the fruit that we added to this, and it smells so delicious. What a fantastic brekkie or snack to have. Now the way that everyone loves to plate this up is in a shallow bowl, and a few generous spoonfuls of this goes in, and just spread it out, and a little more, just press it down. Okay. Next we can top it with some fresh fruit. So I've got some bananas that I'll just cut on an angle, and we'll just pop them to one side. And for some crunch, I love the addition of some granola. We'll sprinkle that over the top. The granola is not the hero here, we're just using it as a textural contrast. And then some seeds, some pepitas and some pumpkin seeds. And if that wasn't enough, I have these beautiful passion fruits that I'll just cut open. And what I like to do is just squeeze that over the top. This is super trendy at the moment. You can find it at all your cafes, but forget that. Why don't you make this at home? I'll tell you what, you're going to impress your family and friends with that.